Morning. We're here this morning to talk about putting foundation support into a frame that is done with natural wax with the wire in it. So we take our deep frame, we already separated the bottom board. We take a nail, we go through each hole that we want to put support in. I use a galvanized nail because it's a little rougher on the edges than a regular shiny nail. So we take our wax. As you notice, the wax has little bitty wires embedded in it for support also. You slide it in the bottom groove of your frame. Make sure when you build your frames, you use an open bottom if you're going to put natural wax in. Get it to slide in there all the way across. It can be a little tricky, but not the end of the world. There we go. Okay, so we put the wax in there and we set it down to the bottom. We take our trim board, slat as we call it, a slat. We put the slat in there and we staple. I use 3 staples traditionally. That's how we do it. Some people use nails. It's a little hard for me to nail because I don't have, my hands don't work as good as I wish they did. Okay, so we have the foundation in the frame, but we want to support it from doing this. So today we're going to use the small support pins, which are poly. They're color coded, so we know that this year we put in yellow and the International B code, which we'll explain that after a bit. So we stick the support pin in and we sandwich each side over the wax foundation. If you can see, they're split. They're like a fork. So you slide it in the hole. I run the nail through the hole already to loosen it up. Then I look for the edge. It takes a lot of light for me to see it. And then I just spread it enough so it slides together, like so. See, it's on both sides. And that gives you the support you need to hold your wax firm and in a plumb manner till the bees, once they fill it with comb, you know, the support is done. The comb will hold itself. See, we have it in there. Let's see if we can add one to the top here. I don't know if I opened that hole up. Yeah, I did. Go. Now, do the other side, same way. 1, 2, 4. There you have it. Support pins, frames ready to go, ready to be put into your beehive. Thank you very much.